It's August 25. We're here walking along the street of one of the streets here in Sampaloc Tanay, Rizal, where we are looking at the street market called Talipapa in Tagalog. Today is a holiday, National Heroes Day, and we're buying some stuff called liempo here in Tanay. So just enjoy the sights for now. You will see a variety of stores selling vegetables, meats, fish, and other grocery items that are popular here in the Philippines. It's really getting trafficy out here because the size of the street is pretty limited, and there are SUVs and pickup trucks and cars and motorcycles traversing the road, so you have to be extra careful when you're walking, because this is the real rural jungle. And where's EJ? We'll follow through. As you can see, it is really got to be really cautious when traversing the streets. And there are dogs, vicious dogs, and you just walk along and then you will see. Oh, he's walking fast. People are enjoying their day as they shop. Look at the price of coconut. It's getting fairly expensive now. And we're looking for pork, just a little piece of pork belly that we will put in our dish called peanut bit. So now we're able to catch up with EJ, and he is here in the selection process of the choice liempo. I think di naman problema kahit mataba, kasi pagmamantikain naman natin para maging ano siya. Yes. Kaysa pa. Yan. Panchicharon.
Yan po ba? Tambas mata.
Oh, pwede yun. Gusto ko yung mataba.
Kasi nito.
Ha?
Kasi.
Kasi hindi pala liempo yan.
Saka to, yan po.
Yan, sige, sama nyo. Yan, sama yan. Oh. Pag-aanohin natin yan. Pagmamantikain natin yan.